Welcome back, fellers and fellettes. I'm going to do a quick walk around on this 1996 Suzuki DD51T. We got it because it has some good options on it, and I had some bigger plans for it, but I don't have time for it right now. So I've cleaned it up some, and I'm just gonna put it on the website as a good deal. So if you're looking for a truck under $10,000 that has AC, four-wheel drive high-low with front and rear diff lock, this is a great option for you. So come take a walk around it. It's your typical DD51T Suzuki Carry. It does have a few good options on it, and that's why I bought it. I'd planned on doing a big lift kit on it with a full Raptor Army Green bedliner. But like I said, I just don't have time for it. I've got rods and other fires and trying to keep everything leveled out. So we're just going to put the truck as it is, no lift. I did put brand new wheels and tires on it. These are factory takeoffs of a brand new Daihatsu. So if you got brand new wheels and tires on the truck, it is an AC truck. It is a 4-speed with a high-low transfer case. That's why I don't like the 90s Suzukis, is because you have to take and give a little bit. So with a 4-speed in the 90s, you get the high-low. With a 5-speed, you would get an extra low forward gear. So it's give and take. When you get up into the 2000s, you get a 5-speed with high-low. So they're a little better optioned out and bigger cabs as well. Around here, you can see the buttons for the front and rear diff lock once you get around to it. We've done a full service on it. It has all the oils done, front and rear differential, transmission, engine, AC's charged up, ready to go. We've painted the headache rack and got the light working on the back, and fresh air filter. I mean, we've gone through it, checked the brakes. All the brakes are good on it. That's that diff lock for the front and rear, and they do work. So yeah, guys, if you're looking for a cheaper truck to beat around on the farm or maybe put around in town with, this would be a great option for you. It's budget friendly. It's in good shape. It's not perfect. It's a 96. It's been used. You can see there's a dent in the door here. Nothing major. A couple scratches here and there, but I mean, it's a 96 with, I think it's 60,000 kilometers, so right around 30-something thousand miles. I don't know if you can see it in camera, but this bedside, someone had spray painted it at one point in time. I did buff over it and it cleaned up a little bit, but it is what it is. Another couple options that you don't see a whole lot, it just dawned on me. It's got the California mirrors, so get the bigger, sturdy mirrors on it. It also has this roll bar at the bottom of the bumper. That does great for pushing down brush and little sticks and twigs and stuff like that out in the woods. So yeah, it's well optioned out for a basic truck. So yeah, if you guys are looking for a truck like this and need something budget friendly, that's capable, it's got good options, AC, heat, four-wheel drive, high-low, diff locks, this would be a great option for you guys. So check out our website if you're not on it right now, and look at all the options we have on it. And yeah, if you're interested in something like this, come take a look at it, pick it up, we can ship it out, whatever you want to do with it. We also got that brand new one sitting there. That's a 22 Daihatsu Jumbo hard cargo. loaded out. Link is in the description. So if you're interested in something brand new and very capable, it's got a lot of options. You know, it's total different ballparks when we're talking about these two here. So yeah, let me know if you guys need anything. Our parts are picking up, our service is picking up, our sales are doing good. So I appreciate everybody being here and helping us. And you know, the power of the internet is really kicking in. So we are going to stay on track with everything as best as we can. And I appreciate everyone's patience. So I guess that's it. We're going to wrap this up. We actually have to go pick up a special order today and get that vehicle ready, get it off to the customer so they can start using it. So yeah, we will see you on the next one. You guys keep these mini trucks trucking and be blessed, and we'll catch you later.